Let's go back to this first section. In this section, we have seen that EC2 instances are charged per second and that the T2 microtype is eligible to the free offer. On Macs and Linux, the SSC is used to connect to EC2 instances. The SSH is done on port 22 and for security reasons only allow it from your IP address. In case of a timeout, we have seen that the problem comes from the security group, probably from the port 22 being not open. If access is denied, it means that the permission on the SSH key is not good. Remember the options to change the CH mode 400 mode. Security groups can reference other security groups instead of an IP address range. That's very important. You must know the difference between a private IP, a public IP, and an AWS Elastic IP address. You can customize an EC2 instance with user data scripts. We have also seen that we need to know the different types of launch. We have seen the on-demand instances that we pay per second. We have seen reserved instances, spot instances who are much cheaper, up to 90% cheaper than on-demand instances, and the other dedicated ones. It is also necessary to know different type of basic instances. We saw that R was for RAM, C for CTI, M for medium, I for AEO, G for GPU, and T2/T3 for processor expansion. We have seen what the burst is. We also know now that an AMI can be copied from one region to another and from one user point to another. An EC2 instance can be started in a placement group. We have seen several placement groups as well as the cluster mode, spread mode, and the partition mode.